Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisette, and if you're new, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today we're gonna talk about the Les Beiges Water Fresh Tint. And I don't know why I never talked about it in my channel. Like, I've had this for a few months. I don't know why I never talked about it. So random, right? Okay, so first off, of course, I gotta show you the packaging where this goodie came in, right? So you get this gorgeous box from Chanel, of course, and splurge packaging. Look at this cute little stamp. Girl, I gotta show you what I got. So here it is, and then inside you get this cute little pouch. In here they gave me a few samples, and in here this is where the Les Beiges Water Fresh Tint came in. Like I said, I got a few Chanel samples. Let's open them up. In this cute little pouch I received a micellar cleansing water along with a cleansing oil. So I got these two little samples for me to try. Of course, in this Chanel box you get the actual product, which is the Chanel Les Beiges Water Fresh Tint, along with this cute little brush with the Chanel logo. Let's talk about this brush now. This brush is amazing. The bristles are super soft. The size, the hold, everything. The size of this little brush, it's like a kabuki brush. I feel like it's small, it's travel friendly, it's just right to apply any foundation, and it pairs so well with this water fresh tint. I gotta show you what the texture looks like. So it's very watery. I have been wearing this water fresh tint foundation for hours now, and on this side I just now applied a coat of the water fresh tint and a little blush moment here. On this side I had it on for a few hours, and this is what it looks like. Pretty nice, I like it. So with this, I'm gonna go ahead and use the brush that you get when you purchase this foundation, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it on this side of my face. I don't have anything on, just so whatever's remaining from the few hours that I had this foundation on. So look at the texture right there. I am using the brush that the water fresh tint came with. I feel as though I don't have to apply a lot of product to get that beautiful glow, and for this foundation to blend seamlessly on the skin. With it, I use it every single time. There's no streak marks or anything like that. It's just right. This brush is everything. I am so in love with it. Let me tell you a little bit about this water fresh tint. This is a light to medium coverage foundation with a gel texture and pigmented micro droplets that create a radiant, healthy looking glow. Yes, you guys can see the healthy looking glow from within, which I love. This literally feels like skin. It's not heavy, it's not cakey, it's just right, and you get that beautiful radiant glow and the luminosity. It's perfect for summer, I feel like, and in my book, for any occasion. So the composition of this water fresh tint, the lightweight formula is composed of 75% water, delivering a burst of freshness upon application and up to 8 hours of hydration. Yes, I apply this product on the face, it feels like water. You guys saw the texture, it was super watery, yet it feels hydrating, and it covers your skin beautifully, gives you that perfect radiant complexion. Let's see what it says on the website. So it's got natural tamarind seed extract, known for its moisturizing properties. Helps comfort skin feels refreshed and energized. Yes, it feels as though I'm applying a mist, a cooling mist. That's the feeling I get when I apply this water fresh tint on my skin. I want to show you guys the texture one more time, and look how beautifully this brush blends out the foundation and the micro droplets and delivers this seamless yet beautiful glow and radiance from within. Look how gorgeous my hand looks now. I want to compare this hand. You guys can see the difference. This one has the water fresh tint. This other hand does not have anything on it. You guys can totally see the difference. I gotta tell you guys, I am super in love with this water fresh tint. It is worth the splurge. It is so worth the splurge.
I will repurchase this again and again and again.
I feel as though I cannot live without it. It's just right. The shade that I'm in is a shade medium. I have olive skin tone and this matches me perfectly. This is $65. I know she's expensive, a little pricey, but it is so worth the splurge. If you're looking for a skin-like finish, then this is it. So lightweight, refreshing, and long-lasting. Let me know in the comment section down below if you are going to splurge and perhaps try this out. If you haven't already tried this Les Beiges Water Fresh Tint, I'm in love with it. I will repurchase again and again and again because it's that good. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys found this review useful. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button, give a big thumbs up if you like this review, and if you would like for me to continue reviewing more products for you guys. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads on my channel here. And follow me on Instagram, guys. All right, you guys, I will see you on my next video. Besitos, bye.